You've got a business in Houston. Maybe it's a local shop, a service company, or even a growing online brand, and you keep hearing about SEO. Maybe you've even gotten a few cold emails promising page 1 in 30 days. But then you wonder, can I just do this myself? The short answer? Technically yes. But let's talk about what that actually looks like. Here's the thing. SEO isn't one task, it's dozens. Writing content, optimizing your website, managing Google Business Profile, building links, improving page speed, tracking metrics, and doing it consistently. It's not impossible, but it's a serious time commitment. And when you're running a business, your time is already maxed out. Plus, Google's algorithms change constantly. What worked a year ago might hurt you now, and trying to DIY it with outdated advice can lead to mistakes, like keyword stuffing, bad backlinks, or ignoring technical SEO altogether. The good news? You can get started with the basics. Things like making sure your website is mobile-friendly, claiming and optimizing your Google Business Profile, creating local, relevant content that answers your customers' questions. But if you're serious about competing in a market like Houston, where every industry is crowded, you'll probably need help to really move the needle. At Authority Solutions, we work with businesses across Houston who started exactly where you are, trying to figure out SEO on their own. We don't believe in guesswork or cookie-cutter strategies. We build custom plans based on your goals, your market, and your timeline. Want to see what's possible when SEO is done right? Contact us to schedule a free discovery session. Let's talk about where you are now and how we can help you grow, one smart step at a time.